Welcome to Community Tales, a board game to learn about Stretch, a draft stigma reduction approach. Community Tales is a board game with maximum 4 players. You don't play to win, but to learn together as a team about stigmatization and Stretch. And that means you actually win. This is what a Community Tales board looks like. Voila! Within Community Tales, we use a number of cards. The blue card is the end card, the situation we want to create. But it's the first card that is actually played. Here. And then, together, we'll discuss a story of stigmatization. Which population faces stigmatization? Where does it take place? How does it take place? Who stigmatizes this population? And why do people stigmatize this population? On the board, we'll play those stigmatization cards here. When you play it, it looks like this. Player 1. Which population faces stigmatization? Player 2 adds. Where does this stigmatization take place? Player 3. How does this stigmatization take place? Player 4. Who stigmatizes? Back to player 1. Why do people stigmatize? After building the stigmatization story together, we will reflect on how we recognize this. And then prepare for the second part, addressing the stigmatization. Then we'll play the middle row. Here. These are evidence-informed stigma reduction strategies and principles included in Stretch. These are the strategies: contact, engagement of popular opinion leaders, experiential educational, strengthening self-efficacy, and addressing barriers to support. These are Stretch principles, strategies at multiple socio-ecological levels, a generic approach but contextualized, understanding power dynamics, community engagement, and adherence to the approach where required, but flexible where possible. Don't you worry when this goes fast. During the game, you will get time to read about the strategies and principles in the game booklet and in the glossary card. And of course, we will discuss together to see how we can move towards the desired situation. So, to get a first idea about Stretch, let's play Community Tales.